I was just 6, playing with sticks, yeah. I ran it up, now I'm lit, yeah. Now this young nigga getting rich, yeah. I used to take shit like the Grinch, yeah. Shit don't make no sense, no. Boy, your pockets full of lint, nigga ain't talking about shit. Them little ass diamonds, yeah, I had to squint, yeah. I hit your bitch, leave a dent, ooh. Driving the Benz like it's raining, ooh. Killing shit, give me a sentence, killing shit. Bad as fuck, then it's the menace, ooh. I bought my chopper some titties, ooh. I got no top and no feelings, ooh. Young nigga give you the business, since I was 6, I been with it.
Got me a check, I can buy you. Why buy the head whenever I slide through shots in the stomach, he can't use the bathroom. Bring a little bit of me up like a blacker. When they hear my music, they turn up the volume. Rock out on stage like American Idol. Used to be bro, now I'm D nigga idol. Fuck a headcat, bitch, I want me a vibe. Fucking that bitch, but we ain't got no title. Stole a thought papers, that came with no title. Custom my guns, I got near the sniper. Remember how I used to have to open my knife. Bitch, I'm my daddy, son, yeah, I'm the owner done. Keep that hoe, I turn that hoe to a high. Crossing these joints, they can give me more high. Bitch, I was trapping, one trying to get high.
Bitch, I been getting it. Young nigga, and I got plenty. 100s and 50s and 20s. Stacking my digits, hot like a motherfucking skillet. Don't put your hands on me, Willie. Swaggin' and spillin', drippin' in Gucci Givenchy. Louis Vuitton decisions, Cartier lenses. I pay the rent for my vision. I see you niggas bullshitting, my diamonds hitting. Bitches falling out like Wendy, ooh. Wendy Williams, Lord forgive me, but I'm oh so serious, ooh. I be walking, same time swimming, my neck wet jet like a pool. Spent the whole 100 racks on tennis, not talking about shoes. But I did spend the 20 with my crew and made the news. And I got that shit right back after I bust a couple moves. And I bought a couple shoes, they like Glock, you a fool. Bitch, ain't nothing new, but these motherfucking blues.
Fuck on that bitch on the bed that she tired. This shit out the top, no, I don't need a rider. Niggas ain't gangsta, they internet typers. Bitch ass nigga. Nigga hate me, but they bitch love me though. I be seeing these niggas biting, trying to study my flow. 2 Glock switches, they bolted, them bitches go in the push of a button. No bitches can't give me nothing, but some of they hit it in the bun and they foot on my stomach. Remember I took my first 100, they couldn't tell me nothing, I was just making plays out of onion. Ran up a chicken, I'm stunned. 3VD chains on my neck, watch the shooter start done. Bitch, I came up from nothing to something. Ain't gotta say it, they already know I'm the one. Niggas really be hating for nothing. Worry about a bitch when you need to go chase you some money.
Every day I wake up and say my prayer, but I'm still a sinner. Niggas think she sweet until they beat the fruit in the blender. My life been going good, I been getting money, I ain't missed a dinner. Been fucking on this bitch with big old rest like Kylie Jenner. And now I'm just playing, she rich, but she ain't that rich. But I been my little bitch top model, her young nigga mad rich. Look at my neck, ooh, cold winter. She froze when I dove in her. Trap house number stoves in her.
No, I never ever trust a bitch, no. Last time I did, I was 6. I hit a hoe and get away quick, young nigga smooth like silk, like ice so cold, nigga quick, ice so high, no pimp, I walk like a pimp, bankroll make me
Yeah, these niggas don't like the way that I pop. Used to be bro, now I flood on my pocket. Pull up in the big body Benz with a bitch with a big body. My life is your dream, the shit I do is out. These niggas, they bitches, they know that I been bad. VVS diamonds on me, your shit real clean. My little niggas killing ops, I get a kick out. These niggas, they going broke, Jack and he still got it. This ain't a dome with a big ass rocket. Been with your Grape, bitch, and I'm trending top. Coming through like a first train, ain't no stop. Don't fuck with these niggas, you can say I'm a knock. Just buy me some more choppers, cause niggas plotting. Super bad bitch, take a trip to the trop. Then I'm back in the trap where I go make the profit.